Alright, we got wind-ups versus ninjas.
Ninja swords. Salt on your body and mind.
3,
Try.
1, 2. It's over.
It started the roll for 1, too.
And Andres goes first with wind-ups. That middle card is nice.
Yeah, now it is.
Shut up! No, I'm not. You don't have them.
We know for
Toby. Perfect. Come on, level 3.
No, you have it has to be.
Shark is stupid.
One carrier? It's still just for 3 parts with 1 carrier.
Yeah, I know, but you can just...
Oh, Mr. Good one.
This guy's a special summon.
No, this is the way you can stop it.
Are there like any tournaments before the
fail
next
it.
ban list though?
Yeah.
YCS in Atlanta.
There's a YCS, and that's before the ban list?
Yep.
It's the weekend of the 17th.
Yeah, there's decks getting hit.
And then regionals is next Saturday.
At ATF, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, maybe I could get a tournament in.
Yeah, go.
Who's going?
I think so far, me, Carlos, maybe Mike, maybe Andres.
Are you guys full or no?
You can't choose.
Well, put me down then. Because I'm not doing anything Saturday. We're going Sunday, right, KCF?
Yeah. There's really something this Saturday. Is there a magic thing going on Saturday? Nothing.
I don't want to play in the Magic. What,
That's right.
But you said there is. So, but there's not one anyway, is there?
I won.
I could feel like I could just go on one of that.
Come on, let him play. Let him play.
I'll trade them.
That's the way to get that shit back. You know, out of avarice.
How you first start with 2 cards in your hand? 3 cards.
That's the only problem with that one card
No, I
now.
don't like that.
Out of avarice.
Yeah,
No, it was like, what else? The shit that was in his hand.
go.
You just like.
Choose it, mine?
He used something.
Damn. That's part of avarice.
Well, I'm just like wondering why they could actually, why they make decks like this.
I mean, it's not broke.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, obviously.
You go first.
I mean,
Henry went first.
Go.
Yeah, and
I won.
we all know these decks are stoppable, but we're saying like beyond the point.
Hanzo, what do you think?
I like to use it a lot of
What's that? What kind of card do you want in this situation?
Nice.
Yeah, that's right. You might start running more Black Suns once you play against everybody.
Card again?
1?
Sure.
Yeah, it would kind of be a waste to run dust shoot in this.
Because that's his outfit goblins, his bunch of Z. He's not faster than goblins. He doesn't have enough of
I don't know, that's my whole Dark World experience. I just hate looking at those cards, dust shoot and Mind Crush.
I mean, I would have did it differently, though.
Me, I got the wrong time.
Damn it.
It seemed like they only work for him. And he's got Chandra, he's got, I did those changes. The other those that I would play is the one with Ultimate All-Time. You've seen it, right? That was a shit.
No, you didn't know the show.
No, I didn't.
I was a leading figure.
Like a rat? Is it good?
Does he get priority? You get priority, right?
I can activate the fact, but...
His effect is to switch to defense.
Targeting is a cost.
President Crusader and Elite Inquisitor are not allowed to
Does
interact with
the target?
Yeah, American Crusader and Phyrexian are No, I always put in my...
As Precedent showed me, Phyrexian Crusader and Mirror Crusader are actually best pros. They're awesome.
They're spies.
Can you destroy it? Do you destroy it?
It's spy versus spy. People don't hate each
It's a
other.
record situation.
Is this destroyed?
Yeah.
So you send this too?
Yep.
Oh, that sucks.
That card is amazing.
Which one? Ninja card?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting good.
That might Frank. It's like, yep,
I like that.
Henry, which is worth more? Dual terminal or super?
Oh, I don't know.
What?
Whoa.
Partial.
Oh. You just
Pretty close.
Heck?
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry folks.
So, whatever's name. Heck?
He's like mine.
15. 25. No.
look for Lilian.
You're
Pretty
1,000
close
gold.
to it.
Now remember that.
And windups get 1.